Today, I am reviewing the Dreame Aero Pro Wet Dry Vacuum Mop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to maintaining a modern home, the floor is often the hardest battleground to conquer, especially if you have pets or a busy household. I have spent years cycling through various stick vacuums and traditional mops, only to end up with a closet full of tools and floors that still felt slightly gritty. After putting the Dreame Aero Pro Wet Dry Vacuum Mop through its paces, I can say with absolute certainty that the era of the two-step clean is officially over. This is a machine that does not just promise convenience, it redefines the entire logic of how we clean hard floors. The first thing that genuinely surprised me during the initial run was the sheer suction power. With 25 kilopascals of force, it doesn't just pick up light dust. I tested it against a nightmare scenario of spilled cereal, wet milk, and thick mud tracked in from outside. In a single pass, the Aero Pro inhaled the dry debris while simultaneously scrubbing the liquid away. Usually, with these hyper machines, you worry about a muddy slurry forming in the nozzle, but the suction is so aggressive that the floor is left almost bone dry and remarkably streak-free. What sets this unit apart from almost every other competitor on the market is the physical design. Most wet-dry vacuums are bulky, top-heavy tanks that cannot get anywhere near the dust bunnies living under your furniture. The Aero Pro, however, features an incredibly slim 3.88-inch profile. More importantly, it has a true 180-degree lie-flat capability. I was able to slide the entire machine deep under my platform bed and the low-clearance sections of my sofa without the brush head lifting off the floor. Being able to actually mop under the bed without moving heavy furniture is a feature that, once you have it, you can never go back to a standard upright. For pet owners, the biggest headache is always the hair. I have dealt with countless brush rolls that end up looking like a bird's nest after 10 minutes of cleaning. Dreame has implemented something they call TangleCut 2.0, and it is a total game changer. The system actively cuts through long hair and pet fur as you clean, preventing it from ever wrapping tightly around the roller. After a week of heavy use in a house with 2 shedding dogs, I pulled the brush roll out to inspect it, and there was 0 hair residue. This alone saves so much time and eliminates one of the grossest maintenance tasks in home cleaning. The hygiene system is equally impressive. It uses a dual tank design, which is critical for a real clean. You are always mopping with 100% fresh water, while the dirty, gray water is separated into a completely different reservoir. This means you aren't just moving dirt around the room, you're actually removing it. And when the job is done, the self-cleaning station takes over. This isn't just a simple rinse. It uses 194-degree hot water to flush the roller and the internal pipes, followed by a 203-degree hot air drying cycle that finishes in just 5 minutes. Most other brands take hours to air dry, which often leads to a musty, sour smell. The Aero Pro is bone dry and odorless almost immediately after you dock it. Lastly, the battery life and water capacity deserve a mention. With a 60-minute runtime in quiet mode and a massive 1,000-milliliter water tank, I was able to clean my entire 3-bedroom home without stopping to recharge or refill. It feels like a premium, well-built tool that respects your time. It is sleek, powerful, and remarkably quiet for the amount of work it is doing. If you are tired of the vacuum then mop routine and want a floor that you can actually walk on barefoot with confidence, the Dreame Aero Pro is the single best investment you can make for your home maintenance routine. It turns a chore into a quick, satisfying task.